going that way. It's not gonna go well. No, it didn't go well. Nope.
Oh! I think you may have touched the ground.
I might have. I was hoping that wasn't even through the wind.
Oh, he's down!
I win!
You only win if you land safely.
Under the canopy.
Under the canopy.
Okay, it's coming in high!
I'm ready. Oh, not cut.
Was that the nose? Was that the nose of it?
Yeah. Hang on.
Oh, no!
I think it got too wet.
Yeah. Jeez. Oh, was that the tiny trainer? Oh, I'm scared to be anywhere near this plane right now. I'm keeping my distance. That tiny trainer's scaring me.
Well, I can't control this very well either.
All right. Oh yeah! Oh no! He's
Got
okay. He's all right.
Got it. Oh, that was a close one. It's definitely leaning right.
Yeah, I think you've got.
Oh boy.
Whoa, Tim, you almost got me. Whoa. You almost hit me.
6 minutes.
Tiny trainers everywhere.
Try to keep it in play here.
Oh God! Somebody just went across my nose. That was awesome. Nah, I'm not that close.
Oh!
Oh,
About stalled it out there.
5.
I'm trying to keep it slow.
I am way too close to that plane right now. Oh, jeez! Oh. Oh wow, that tiny trainer just blows me again.
Oh, that was close.
Still up, still up.
That was a good shot.
I got it too. Oof. Nice. Oh wow, that was close. How are you guys not hitting that?
3 minutes.
Where'd it go? Oh God, where am I?
Oh no. I'm starting to lose power. Oh, that was close.
Come on!
Yeah!
That was so good.
Yes!
Yes! Is it just a 2 left? Is it just the two of them?
I think it's just the two.
All right. Try to keep you two in frame. Let's go.
I'm just trying to keep it up. It's dying. It's really losing power.
I'm right there with you. Slow cruise. Oh, battery, so close.
Trying to hoist it up in the air there. I'll come back.
Oh! I gotta land. I gotta land.
Oh!
20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Oh.
5,
Oh, come on!
2, 1. Timer 1 elapsed.
All right, I'm gonna have to bring it in. It has taken a beating.
Last chance. Look at that, survived the whole thing.
Nice.
Wow.
Oh, there's
That
a chunk out of
was
the nose here.
amazing.
Look at this.
Well, that's why you were pulling to the left.
Look at that.
Look at this.
Right off the nose
Run on the
there.
eye, run on the wing.
Nice.
Oh yeah, the wing.
Well done.
That's cool.
Look at this.
Pile them all up for Scott's picture.
There we go.
There you go, nice.